As we get older, staying fit becomes more important than ever. Reaching your 40 EEs, 50s, and beyond doesn't mean slowing down. On the contrary. It's the perfect time to strengthen your body, improve mobility, and boost your overall health. In this video, we'll explore 8 essential exercises that will help you stay strong, healthy, and full of energy. These exercises are easy to do and can be done at home or the gym. Let's dive in.
1. Triceps dips.
Let's kick off with triceps dips, an excellent exercise to strengthen your upper body. For men over 40, this exercise is crucial for improving arm strength and preventing sagging skin around the arms. All you need is a sturdy chair or bench. To perform triceps dips, place your hands on the bench behind you, lower your body, and then push yourself back up. This exercise targets your triceps, chest, and shoulders.
Benefits.
Increases upper body strength, helps with posture, boosts confidence in daily tasks like lifting and pushing.
2. Push-ups.
Next up, the push-up, one of the most complete bodyweight exercises. Push-ups not only build strength, but also improve cardiovascular health. For those over 40, starting with wall push-ups or knee push-ups can be a good way to build strength gradually. Once you get comfortable, try full push-ups.
Benefits.
Strengthens chest, triceps, and deltoids. Improves cardiovascular health. Enhances posture and core strength.
3. Squats.
Now, let's work on the lower body. Squats are a cornerstone exercise that targets your thighs, glutes, and core. As we age, the ability to sit and stand easily becomes more difficult, but squats can help. Start by sitting on a chair and standing up without using your hands, and progress to freestanding squats. This strengthens your lower body and improves mobility.
Benefits.
Strengthens lower body muscles. Enhances joint health. Improves balance and coordination.
4. Planks.
The plank is a simple but powerful core exercise. It strengthens your abs, glutes, and even your shoulders. Holding a plank for as long as possible challenges your core, but also helps with posture and stability.
Benefits.
Strengthens the core and lower back, improves posture, enhances overall body stability.
5. Hanging from a pull-up bar.
Next, we'll focus on the hanging exercise from a pull-up bar. This movement may seem simple, but its benefits are incredible for your back and arms. It decompresses the spine and increases joint mobility, reducing tension that builds up from sitting all day.
Benefits.
Strengthens the back and arms. Improves posture, reduces spinal tension.
6. Burpees.
Burpees are one of the most intense exercises, but they provide incredible full-body benefits. They increase strength, endurance, and cardiovascular health. Start slowly if you're new, and progress to full burpees over time.
Benefits.
Boosts metabolism, increases endurance, strengthens legs, arms, and core.
7. Running in place.
Running in place is an excellent exercise for improving cardiovascular health, and it's very easy to do anywhere. Whether you're inside your house or outside, this exercise will get your heart pumping and your body moving.
Benefits.
Improves heart and lung health. Boosts energy. Great for warming up before other exercises.
8. Lunges.
Lunges are fantastic for strengthening your legs, glutes, and improving balance. As we age, stability becomes more important, and lunges are perfect for building strength and preventing falls. Start with bodyweight lunges and gradually add dumbbells to increase intensity.
Benefits.
Strengthens legs and glutes. Improves balance and coordination. Enhances joint health.
Bonus. Yoga.
For a bonus, we have yoga, a perfect way to relax and improve flexibility. It helps balance both the mind and body, and it's excellent for men over 40. Yoga increases flexibility, promotes relaxation, and helps with muscle recovery after more intense exercises.
Benefits.
Increases flexibility, reduces stress, helps in muscle recovery.
And there you have it, 8 essential exercises to keep you fit and healthy, no matter your age. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you can improve strength, mobility, and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Start with the basics and gradually progress to more challenging variations. We hope this video helped you get closer to your fitness goals. Keep pushing, stay strong, and as always, take care of your health. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and exercises. Let us know which exercise you're going to try first in the comments below.